Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are all connected to one specific niche. Now, I hope that these videos have been helpful. These videos where I reveal daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in seeing so then I can be able to add that to my content planner. Apart from that, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our daily videos. Now, in the description box below this video, you will find 2 free trials: 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors and graphics as well as keywords, and also 30-day free trial for Canva, which you can use to design the interior and the cover for the book and format the whole book all together. Take advantage of these free trials if you are not yet a subscriber to any of the Creative Fabrica or Canva. This will allow you to access these subscriptions for free for 30 days to try them out, and you can cancel whenever you want. So let's dive into the first keyword for the day, and our first keyword for the day is timeless tree journal. This is a great keyword that you rarely come by because it's a journal niche, it's a notebook niche, it's a low content niche that is quite rare nowadays to find with this stats that we have right here, because they seem to be so oversaturated, and also they're really easy to create. Now, what we're focusing here on is a timeless tree design in terms of the cover. So the cover is what really will sell. In terms of the sizing, you can choose whatever sizing you want. Usually when it comes to a journal or a notebook, I stick with a 6 by 9 inches. Now let's break down the results, and I'll also give you a couple of strategies and tips that you can incorporate yourself if you would like to dive into this niche further. So the keyword niche score is 40 by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension, and we have a number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, confirming the 40 and complementing it beautifully, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Coming down to the total results, they're currently sitting at 193, below 1000, and that is also ideal. The average bestseller rank is within the acceptable range, which is between 300 to 400,000, and it is currently sitting at 306,330. The average reviews are 585, and our average price is $20.88. Why the high average price? Because if you scroll down, you will find that the majority of these books are hardcovers. The majority of them are not independently published. You can find independently published here and there, but this is your opportunity to utilize this wonderful journal niche and create a couple of different timeless tree journal designs using possibly AI like Midjourney, also Leonardo.ai. There's also a wonderful alternative called ideogram.ai. It is absolutely amazing when it comes to creating cinematic like illustration paintings. Also when it comes to AI, let me know if you would like me to do a full step-by-step tutorial with a couple of different prompt ideas. I'm sure that would be helpful if you are interested in that kind of content. So try to incorporate AI in terms of the design and use whatever AI you are comfortable with in order to create a really beautiful customized timeless tree design for your cover. Also, that would be great if you would like to dive into this keyword. I wanted to share that with you as our first keyword out of the 3 today. Now let's dive into our second keyword, which is also a notebook design. Now this is more promising. Why? Because you can find a lot of wonderful low content books under this keyword right here. Now you can also find some hardcovers scattered here and there as well. Don't let that discourage you. Our keyword for the day is much more profitable than the previous one. It is vintage large tree of life notebook, and it has a really strong and solid keyword niche score of 82. Absolutely fabulous when it comes to that. Green light, ready to go. Also Amazon Scout Pro has given us a number 8 when it comes to this score as well. So number 9 is the highest, and we're all pretty happy with number 8 here, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. The total results are below 1000. They're currently sitting at 370. The average bestseller rank is within that 300 to 400,000, and the acceptable range, and it is averaging 341,169. Our average reviews are 466, and the average price is $24.97. Now, when it comes to the notebook, you can price it as $6.99, $5.99. Depends on the effort that you put into the notebook itself, the sizing, the cover design as well. That also plays a big role, so be mindful of that. Usually I like to price my books when it comes to notebooks at $5.99 or $6.99 the most. So this is a wonderful notebook niche that you could utilize. Now you're focusing on a very specific type of cover, which is a vintage. The whole theme is vintage, and it's the sizing is large, so you can also be able to do as a large print, which is what I understood from the keyword itself. Vintage, large, tree of life notebook. So the design is the tree of life, and I'm sure you can get a couple of really good ideas on the tree of life designs and a couple of different ways and themes to follow, but please make sure you stick to the vintage and make a large print. I wish you all the best in regards to this keyword right over here. Let's dive into our third and final keyword, which is tree identification signs. Now this is not a notebook type of keyword, but it is a wonderful, strong, profitable keyword that really can be utilized by Amazon KDP self-publishers out there. Now I know it's basically about the signs, it's like physical signs, as you can see right over here, regarding the tree identification, a couple of warnings as well. But did you know that you could utilize this as a Amazon KDP self-publisher by creating a pocket-sized book for anyone out there who's into really taking their hobby of tree identification seriously, and then that would be a pocket-sized book for them to take hiking to help them identify different types of trees, spruce, hawthorn, that kind of stuff. And then you could get in as much detail as you possibly can by creating a high content book, or you can keep it as minimalistic by creating an 8.5 times 8.5 inch type of book where it's to do with the image of that tree and just a couple of lines saying how to correctly identify each of the tree. You can also create it as a sub niche based on, for example, the area that you're living in, or the state as well, and what are the most common 30 most common top 50 trees, and then help them identify it in a small book. That way, utilize this wonderful keyword right here, keyword niche score of number 77, really high by self-publishing titans. And we also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro that has managed to give us a number 9 for the keyword niche score, which is the highest on the scale. Coming to the total results, they are under 1,000, and they're currently sitting at 221. The average bestseller rank is 141,172, which is under 300,000. That is also acceptable. The lower the better. Average reviews 568. Average price is $16.17. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.